shortly be arriving at Nebworth.
I'm not going to do much filming this weekend because I'm here for a fun time this year, but this is my setup, and Mark brought a chair for me. I'm basically camping with these guys. It's going to be a good weekend. So Pete, the last time I saw this tent of yours, it was covered in snow.
It was, mate, yeah. But
Nice.
now, I'm covered in sweat, so it's the two opposites. Snow on the bivvy.
Everything's camo and green and, you know, blends in with the environment.
Yeah, I walked past it twice, forgot I couldn't find it.
Yeah. So, you got a nice bright red tent.
And a beautiful chair.
And a beautiful, oh my God.
Look at that, eh? Perfect.
I like the name of his tent
It's
though.
called the yin and yang pitch.
Bandicoot. Yeah, which one are you?
I don't know, really.
You a bit of a yang?
Yeah. Yeah, the yang is more hard than it.
Yeah. Oh, I need some more water. It is stinking hot. If I didn't know any better, I think I'd be back in Brisbane. It's that hot. It's so hot that I saw a small guy in orange robe burn into flames. It's been a long, hot day. I'm glad the sun is going down. That's my tent there. There's Chunky and his wife, and Gary's over there, and there's Mark and Greg and Simon. This is where I'm camping for the weekend. This group in this field are the preppers. This is the 2020 prepper meet. All survivalists, bushcrafters, that sort of thing. You know, gear for sale. You know, there's got stuff selling down there. Tents, you can buy tents here, you can buy clothes, you know, camping knives, stoves, all sorts of stuff. And this is our group, just in this field. In the other field, over there, you've got a whole other group, which is families, and then up the top there, you've got some other people, and over there. So it's going to be a good weekend. So this is probably the best camp food I've ever had.
I doubt that very much, but thank you, you're very kind.
You're a champ.
Look what your mission, Scott. That's cruel, I won't.
Oh, we all notice Scott likes his wraps.
He likes his steaks and all.
Yeah. We've got another 2 hours before the sun sets. This is looking to be a really good weekend.
I've already had a mouthful of that. That's
Oh,
enough for
pass
me.
it on.
Now,
There's plenty of bottles somewhere.
I've got to get some more now.
Mickey?
Right, mate?
Oh, yeah. Right?
No, when it not.
There you go.
Did I really? You beat the fuck out of that in the morning.
I'm beating the fuck out of that tonight. You wait. He doesn't know it yet, but he's getting it.
You alright? Yeah. Can I just ask you on that? He's a YouTube star, aren't you, Baldy?
Yeah, phone the mem sub, yeah.
Phone the mem sub, get that over and done with.
No, look at it. I'm just going to carry them. I look carry them earlier on. Shut it up. I'm pretty close to it.
All right, help yourself.
That's weird. Cheers, bye, mate. Cheers, guys. Up. Well done, guys. Right, before I go, I'm going to go for a quick one first.
I'm trying to work out if Eddie's eyes are open or closed. But everybody I've seen on YouTube with me praise him. So.
Yeah.
Good day. Good day, mate. Oh, don't show that to Scott.
Yeah, it just feels good in the hand. It's a medium size because I've got the prang which comes out to about here, and I've got knives.
That one you
and I've
got,
got
the
folding
Aussie
knives.
Army prang you've got in it. Was it you? I know somebody had one at Edo.
Aussie Army?
Last year. Yeah, because the Australian Army parang and the British Army parang is slightly different.
Um,
A different sheath as well.
I think, don't they use the Malaysian prangs? Yeah, I can't remember now.
I might be wrong. You can light that up a bit then, kiddo.
Oh, is this the post office? This is where I bring the mail.
Seen the thumb holding it.
Yeah.
Dad, your legs are weeping.
Where? That's not.
That mouse, isn't there some famous old furniture maker that used his signature up in a mouse in it somewhere and they're worth a fortune? You know, an old furniture maker.
No, there was an artist who used to paint Northern Ireland pictures, and every picture had a little mouse in it. Remember?
I'm
And there was
sure
one. Do you remember the Leeson Street Patrol?
Yeah.
The painting of that artist had done a series of different paintings, and there's a little mouse somewhere hidden in all of his paintings, one of his trademarks.
Okay, right. You Mick. Hey, Rob's trying to take a picture of you, didn't he?
You gonna enjoy that?
Yes, I'm enjoying it.